Hi, my name is Natasha. I'm a second year Carpentry Apprentice at Foster Construction. In commercial carpentry, we do a lot of sit-out, site sit-out, site establishment, concrete formwork, a lot of framing, a lot of finishing lines. Concrete, I have a nickname within our company, the Concrete Queen. My dad's a builder, so I kind of grew up around him building, and during like school holidays and stuff I'd go and work with him, so I was kind of just went into it. It can be challenging being a woman in construction. People tend to have certain assumptions and have certain mindsets, and construction is a really male-dominated industry. You really just need to keep an open mind and stick it out. And don't let other people's opinions stop you from what you want to do. Definitely maths. I was always told by everyone that wasn't a builder that you didn't need maths, but coming into this industry, that's probably plays a big role in every day. So definitely your like algebra and just simple addition, all that sort of business. English is a good subject to take because first off, you need to know how to read and write. You need to comprehend and understand plans and also be able to communicate with contractors. I think one good thing I learned at Outward Bound recently is that tomorrow is tomorrow's problem. So once you leave work, just leave everything at the door and deal with it tomorrow. And it's also good to have friends within work because then you can socialize with them outside of work, so it kind of becomes a balance. I think I've learned really good time management. Concrete, obviously, really good at concrete. Social skills, definitely. I think my advice would be don't let someone push you into anything. You do what you want to do, and probably just remember that nothing's fixed term, like you're allowed to change your mind. I think in the future I'd love to go into a site management or project management role. I definitely want to be somewhere where I can hand someone else the opportunities that I've been given. Foster Construction is always willing to hear your feedback and make change. They're always open to making you comfortable.